Do you know when your phone rings and you see a number you don't know? You might become nervous and think, if it's someone I'm waiting for, such as from a job or a friend or someone that's making me worried. I understand that feeling a lot, but I find out about this positive website that's find out who's calling you. And the best part is you don't even need to install any apps, and also you can use it on your phone, laptop or your PC too. Similarly, other apps available in the market that shows only honor name of the number, but thanks to ClarityCheck.com that tell you whose the phone number belongs to, where they live, their social media and where they have been. It's for good things such as making fully sure people are who they are say they are and keeping us safe from fraud people. It does a very special job by looking at a large amount of different places to get data and helps you to learn about the number. And did you know ClarityCheck is not for just USA? It works in many different countries including the United Kingdom, India, Canada, Austria and more. No matter where you are, you can use ClarityCheck to find out who's behind an unknown phone number. And the best part, the pricing is available in your own currency. So whether you are paying in dollars, pounds, rupees or euros, you always been seeing the cost in your local money. Means no confusing conversion needed. And there are also fun things you can see, such as their pictures on the internet, what they say online, where they have been and even the places they are connected to or groups they are with. But you must be careful to not do poor things with the data. ClarityCheck is really strict about making fully sure nobody uses it the wrong way, such as to decide who gets a job or if someone should get to borrow money. Now let's look at a real life scenario. Imagine you are at home and suddenly your phone rings. The number is completely unfair. You hesitate, unsure whether to answer. Instead of worrying, you quickly open ClarityCheck.com, enter the number and within seconds you get full details about the caller. You instantly feel relieved knowing exactly who they are and why they might be calling. You can try doing this yourself for a week and it's only 99 cents to start. That's cheaper than a snack. And if you really enjoyed it, they have plans you can pick later. Here's how to do your first search. Just put the phone number you want to look up at the top where you see the box. Look at the acceptable things it tells you and go over each one slow, you don't miss anything. And if something looks vitally key, make sure to keep it by saving or putting it on your computer. And here are some sharp tips if you want to be really proficient at using ClarityCheck. If you need to check several numbers at once, you can do all together. Put all the data you need into a report, thinking that you can keep. It's also a sharp move to check on some numbers a large amount of time to stay safe. Now let's talk about protecting your personal information. Always be cautious about sharing your phone number online. Use strong password and enable two-factor authentication wherever possible. To see what information about you is available, use ClarityCheck.com to monitor your own data visibility. This way you know exactly what others can find about you. Another great way ClarityCheck is useful for reconnecting with old friends or avoiding scams. One user, Mark, said how he lost touch with his childhood best friend years ago. One day he received a call from an unknown number. Instead of ignoring it, he used ClarityCheck.com and he was amazed. It was his long lost friend. They reconnected and now talk every day. On the other hand, Sarah received a call from someone claiming to be from her bank. She checked ClarityCheck.com and find out it was a scammer pretending to be official. This saved her from losing money. And let's do a quick set. Imagine two people looking up a number. One person just searches online and get random sketchy information. The other person used ClarityCheck.com and instantly get accurate detailed results. The difference is clear. One person is left confused while the other is fully informed and safe. That's why using a trusted source like ClarityCheck is the best option. That's why you must use it widely to learn more when you can. Make sure you not do anything unethical and always stay with acceptable boundaries. ClarityCheck is not only a website. Think of it as your superhero shield against mystery people or things that may be a little bit odd to watch. And I have got something really positive for you to try out. For only 99 cents, you can see all this content about a phone number for an entire week. That's less than $1 too. And here what you should do now. Tap on the link right down there. Sign up to try it at ClarityCheck.com. And if you don't desire to miss greatly amazing content from me later, punch that notification bell and share this video with your friends. If they get abnormal phone calls, they will be unfortunately happy that you showed them how to find out who's calling. I read every single thing you write in the comments. I'm here to make sure you are aware of how to use this amazing thing to stay safe on the internet. Remember, when you know more, you are stronger. With ClarityCheck, it's easy to know who's behind the phone number. Be careful, know a large amount of content, and it will be possible to speak again in my next video. So bye.